Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to change your name in Hero Wars. Whether you are a new player or just want a fresh identity in the game, you can easily change your name in Hero Wars in just a couple of steps. First of all, launch open Hero Wars on your device, and once you're inside this main lobby screen, go ahead and click on your avatar at the top left corner. Now click on Change Name on the next page and then select your new name and enter it right here on the screen. You can also randomize names and choose from them by tapping the random button, and once you find the name that suits you or once you find the name you like, you can click on Accept. So right after you do that, your name will be changed and it will be displayed at the top over here. That is how you change your name in Hero Wars. Now your new name is live. Show it off in battles, guilds, and leaderboards. Changing your Hero Wars name is quick and easy. Now you can play with a brand new identity and impress your friends in battles and guilds. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.